Hey gardeners, want your tomato plants to produce more fruit than ever completely for free? It sounds too good to be true, right? But today I'm revealing a secret organic fertilizer that will boost your tomatoes' growth and yield without spending a dime. And the best part? You probably already have everything you need at home. Plus, this works for cucumbers, peppers, onions, garlic, and all your plants. So, stay with me until the end because I'll also show you exactly where to get these ingredients for free. Let's get started. Now let's break down our 3 powerful ingredients that make this fertilizer so effective. The first ingredient is eggshells. They are rich in calcium, which strengthens plant roots, improves soil structure, and helps prevent blossom end rot, a common tomato disease. To get the most out of eggshells, crush them and soak them in a mixture of vinegar and water for 24 hours. The acid in the vinegar helps release the alkaline calcium, making it more readily available for plants. A stronger root system means healthier, more productive tomato plants. Next, we have banana peels. Most people throw them away without realizing how valuable they are for plants. Banana peels are packed with potassium, an essential nutrient for strong root development, bigger and healthier fruit, and overall plant resilience. Chop the peels into smaller pieces to help release their nutrients faster, making them available to your tomatoes immediately. We use organically grown bananas to ensure the highest quality nutrition for our plants. The last ingredient is nettles. Nettles are a fantastic free source of nitrogen, which promotes lush green leaf growth and helps plants develop a strong aerial structure. Healthy leaves mean better photosynthesis, which ultimately leads to more productive plants. The best part? You can find nettles growing in parks, forests, or even in your own backyard. If you can't get fresh nettles, dried nettle tea works just as well. Now let's put everything together to create this powerful organic fertilizer. First, place the crushed eggshells into half a liter of hot water. Add the chopped banana peels, followed by the nettles. Stir the mixture well and let it sit for 24 hours. This allows all the beneficial nutrients to infuse into the water, creating a potent liquid fertilizer that your plants will love. Did you know you can get some of these ingredients for free without even stepping into your garden? Pastry shops and bakeries throw away tons of eggshells and banana peels every day. Just ask them, and they'll be more than happy to give them to you instead of tossing them in the trash. Not only does this save you money, but it also helps reduce waste. After 24 hours, strain the mixture and dilute it with another 5 liters of water. This ensures it's safe for your plants and prevents any nutrient overload. Now it's ready for use. Water your tomato plants with this mixture twice a month, and you'll start seeing amazing results. Stronger stems, lush green leaves, and an abundance of delicious, juicy tomatoes. And there you have it. A completely free organic fertilizer that will make your tomatoes thrive. Where are you watching from? Drop a comment below. I love connecting with gardeners from all over the world. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your gardening friends, and subscribe for more organic gardening hacks. Happy gardening, see you in the next video.